Hey guys, it's Star, and today we are doing the last unboxing, which is the Allure box. They have changed up their packaging. I think they're trying to go more eco-friendly. I'm not quite sure, or more reusable, I guess is the way we should put it. But it's a regular white box. It says Allure Beauty Box, and then you open it up like this. And first thing on top, so in the box it says hashtag Allure Beauty. Allure Beauty Box, yeah, that was right. And then it comes with the little pamphlet, and this is usually unusual, a $25 gift. Use code Allure at checkout. So, okay, but last month what happened is I got a red one of these. This month I got a black one. And technically it is see-through, but black on black on black, it's not see-through. So first things first, we got a little brush. And I don't mind getting brushes at all. It's just I need to find a place to put all of this. Ooh, this is nice. It's plastic, but it's like still like you could do like a little compact motion here, or just like a nice little sweep on. It's kind of a weird feeling. It is by Art Madoa M27. The handle is very cheap, but I do like it. And the next thing we have Laritzi Cosmetics. It is a lip pencil in the shade Bear. And let's see. Ooh, okay. So that's what the color on the bottom looks like. And that's, I'd actually have to put on my lip, but that's actually a nice like nudie color for the lips. So I'll take it. And then next, what do we have? Yes, please tell me I got the right shade. Yes. This is the Brow Gal 20 Crooks Instant Brow Hair in 02. Tinted brow gel with microfibers. This is a brown. So I'm gonna save this for my trip too. I absolutely love this. Just like a nice little flick on the eyelids. This literally, like I would, if I did use this before my cruise, I'd buy another one. But this is some really great brow stuff. The dogs, but this is like, I would definitely recommend this to people who just want to kind of get like some natural but still like tinted brow look. You don't want to put too much product on your brows. Today I used just my NYX. I just went in and but this is just great because the brush is so small. I'll open it. I didn't want to, but I will. The brush is really small, and you just really get in there and you just, my brow hairs are stiff because it already has product on it, but it just, it's really great. I definitely would recommend it. And then we have from Mamadi, I think that's how you say it. It is a petal soap oil to foam in the scent Rose. This, and it's an oiling cleansing foam for quick and easy cleansing that gently dissolves makeup and oil and foams a rich lather with water. I have to check that out. Next, we have the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Ooh, okay. Something I would not mind. Sorry, I'm not really doing anything with it. I'm just seeing if I can, like how it would fit on my eyelashes. Yep, definitely would use this. Next, we have a Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. Does it give us a name? No. Mykonos, I think, is what the name is. Ooh. Yep. Mykonos. Okay. So we get this kind of tangerine-y, orangey color. Then we get this nice little brown color. And then we get this very shimmery burgundy color. So damn pigmented. That one you can't really see because I didn't put too much on. Definitely will use it on my... See, the one thing I know that will never let me down is the Allure beauty box. And then, to go with the oil to foam cleanser, we have a Flower Lab Essence Mask in Rose. So this is definitely K-Beauty. Obviously, the Korean writing gives it away. But, let's see. Moisturizing mask that keeps skin hydrated. Okay. Like, are you trying to tell me something? To be honest, I've been using a lot of oil on my face. Even though I know I'm an oily person, but at night I put it on just to help because my skin gets really dry. So really, that's what I have to do. Okay, real quick, the Wander Beauty Mascara retails for $26. The Monaco Metallic Eyeshadow Trio in Mykonos retails for $15. Okay, that's actually not bad. And the brush, I was right, it was kind of cheap. Retails for $4.99. The Mom Dade Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser retails for $21. The mask that goes along with it retails for $7. The Brow Gel Tinted Brow Gel retails for $22. And then, I'm kind of glad that I didn't get that. Okay. Oh, I had a chance to get the eyeliner pen from Douce, the Fierce, this eyeliner twice. So the options were the lip pencil in Bear by Larizzi, Douce Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen, or the Mally High Shine Liquid Lipstick. So I got the lip pencil and it was $18. Made out pretty good. This is a good, I think this was a good month. I would definitely get this a 10 out of 10. Allure Beauty is always good. It is always good. So I am going to figure out what to do with all of this now. And I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye!